Understanding the admin page. Before accessing the admin page, it is important to follow the correct sequence. First, log in on the client page in the venue section. Then, create an event on the organizer page. Only after these steps, access the admin page. This is where you have full control of the system. Once inside, the first step is to use the event filter, located at the top of the page. Select the event you created earlier. By doing this, the system will automatically load all the information related to that event. Now we can analyze the available sections. In this video, we will present a general overview of each section. Notice that all of them have a button called How to Use. Inside this button, you will find tutorial videos showing in detail how to use each feature. Let's begin. Fixed karaoke events. Here you register your recurring events, information such as date, time, venue name, and address. These details are displayed on the system homepage. Karaoke rules. In this section, you define the rules of your event. These rules are available to participants on the client page when the event is active. Fixed messages. The messages created here are shown on the client page and also on the display page. They are ideal for promotions, announcements, or important information. Instagram. Here you add your Instagram profile. This contact is visible to users during the event. WhatsApp. In this field, you add your WhatsApp number. This allows participants to contact you directly. Manual participants. This is a very useful feature for those who work with frequent customers. Here, you can register people manually. When they arrive at the event, just click Add, and the name goes directly into the queue. In addition, you can create a personal playlist for each participant. This makes the event flow much faster. Current queue. Here you can view and manage the queue in real time. You can change the order, edit names, remove participants, and understand how each person entered the queue. Most sung songs. In this section, you can register the most popular songs from your events. You can define the best version, the video link, and even the lyrics. These songs appear on the client page. Song catalog. This is widely used by organizers who use their own systems. Here, you can provide a complete catalog of available songs. Registered users. Here you can see all users who follow your venue. You can view their playlist, edit names, change passwords, add them to the queue, or remove the user. History. One of the most important parts of the system. Here, all data is recorded. Participant names, how many times they sang, date, and time. This ensures full control of the event, even in situations where someone claims they were not called. Client settings. Here, you define important system settings, such as button response time, avoiding double clicks, and the venue location. Display settings. Here, you can fully customize the appearance of the system. You can adjust font sizes, colors, and visual style. This allows the display to match your event identity. In the end, the admin page is the control center of the system. This is where you organize, configure, and manage every aspect of your karaoke. With all these tools, you have full control and deliver a much more professional experience to your audience.